So today, we will be unboxing an Amazon box. First, we need to carefully remove the seal using our magic cutter. Open the box, see what's inside. Oops, it's a Lego Technic. It's for ages 10 to 16, and it has 1005 Lego pieces. This is Lego Technic 42077. It is a 2-in-1 rally car and buggy building toy. Awesome, eh? A car and a buggy? Wow! Here we go. Let's look at the contents. We have the manual, Lego pieces, and we need to make sure we have everything in order. We have the chassis parts, we have stickers, and we have small parts, and we have more parts, a wheel, and we also have more and more parts. We have all the wheels, and we could also arrange these later on. Now we can throw away the box and start building, or we can keep it for future use. First things first, we read the manual. Here we go! Thank you for watching, and if you have not seen our other videos, hit the subscribe button and notification bell below so you don't miss any future videos. There's more to come!